cheer, and blooming flowers will appear. Max gave half his cookie bite to Leila, who had none in sight. The ground beneath began to glow, and up popped flowers in a row. Ellie helped a duckling small, who couldn't reach the garden wall. She lifted gently, gave a smile, and tulips bloomed in single file. One kind word, one caring hand can grow a flower in the land. A hug, a smile, a gentle cheer, kindness blooms and fills the air. Freddy the frog had tears to shed. My toy is lost is what he said. Delilah sat down hugged tight. A pink bloom burst with glowing light. Avi bumped into Betty Bear, knocked his puzzle through the air. He said, "I'm sorry, help to fix," and roses bloomed in twos and six. Kindness makes the flowers grow, more than sunshine, more than snow. Be the smile, the voice, the blue, and watch the